Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zwift Companion app while riding. First, download the Zwift Companion app onto your mobile device, ensuring it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your main Zwift game. Once installed, simply log in using your existing Zwift credentials. This initial setup takes just a few moments, allowing for seamless integration between your phone and the virtual world. You'll be ready to enhance your riding experience in no time. Once you are riding, the Companion app transforms into your personal control center. You can instantly view crucial metrics like your current speed, power output, and cadence, all in real time. With a simple tap, send a motivating ride on to fellow cyclists, or engage in conversations by sending messages to nearby riders or your group. You can even steer your avatar or deploy strategic power-ups, giving you a significant advantage during your virtual journey. The Companion app is also your gateway to managing events and navigating the expansive Zwift worlds. Easily join upcoming group rides, races, or structured workouts directly from your phone. A detailed map displays your current position on the course, helping you stay oriented. During free rides, you can select turns and explore different routes. Plus, keep an eye on real-time leaderboards and segment times, pushing you to achieve your best performance. After your ride, the Companion app continues to be incredibly useful. You can save your activity and immediately review comprehensive statistics, including distance, elevation, and average power. Dive into your garage to customize your bike and equipment, or adjust various game settings like trainer difficulty and sound preferences. It's also the perfect place to connect with friends, follow other Zwifters, and plan your next virtual adventure together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.